Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2022 Mazda CX-5 in Snowflake White Pearl with LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25 touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, power liftgate, 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10815A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.